I was even coming to your house. Yeah, I've been looking for you since yesterday night with my friend. Yeah. We walking, we don't see you. The problem is, I came to my sister yesterday, and I just went there to visit she and my sister, my brother-in-law, Richard, wife.
Okay, all
yes,
right,
you know she's my sister.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I went to visit she, and she told me a lot about my brother-in-law, Richard.
Okay.
Say, if he go out, he don't even come home, and if he go out, he don't even give her a call.
Yeah.
You know, it's so implicating. Like, let me say there be we be a new cruise. And he say we young kone ma kontano. To be bia meti ma ben we need the won bia no wa ka them because meaning the enti ama konta be pay getting to 3 to 1 week. Na even call to my sister. Like how? What you say, sister? So we are saying man na minim we are saying mad there obeto nua ba because no for will be 12 oh be
the skin.
Look at the skin. Black incomprehension. Black beauty. So I that is why I was coming to your house, and by the grace of God I meet you. So I just want to know what is going on.
Okay, bro. Like, not to drag this issue that long. I'm really not getting what you're saying though, because I know my friend Richard is always with me whenever he's not in the house. So I'm really not getting it. But anyway, if that is the case, I want you to talk to your sister. Let her be aware that whatever that she's thinking is not what it is.
Well, it have to be well it is. It have to be well it is because Sabio, sister on your phone. Sister on your phone. Only mema bede cast papa and sister because of rich into 1 year here. Ah, bra. So I am gotten anoint of myself.
That's what I'm saying. You should calm down. Calm down.
Tell him something.
I'm standing here. We think I'm comfortable. Yeah, I'm not here.
Yeah, so are you guys here to fight me or what?
No. We are not here to fight you, but it seems there is something true, but you don't want to tell me.
Yeah.
Listen.
W. 3 days to 1 week. My content open.
And I told you, if you didn't get what I said clear.
You say what?
I told you whenever my friend is not in the house, he is with me. That's what I'm trying to say.
With you?
Yes.
Enti Sabio nanka wo ye be ma ye nyansa ni de enti no wo ho no wo hunu nyansa so wo jere ana so wo mpra bi on it serious wo mani Kofi.
He doesn't spend the whole day with me. That's what I'm saying. I'm not.
Okay, I love the point. He doesn't spend the whole day with you. So the other days, where did he go?
Listen to me. Anytime that he comes to me, I'm the one to escort him to the house. So I don't really get what you're saying.
Just say,
you give me time to ask my father what you're saying because it's.
Masa, adiana mama dena mudi ti krokesi no monya kwiko.
Na rich na nimpa wadenya gewe pa was playing to test.
Look at all this.
Bro. You don't know what is really the root of this issue.
You
don't know the root of this issue.
Twetweme, I don't want to speak more, or I don't want to talk more. Let's end it. But what I want to tell you is, if my brother-in-law mistakes, I will show him that me, I am a village champion.
Yeah, the power lies.
Are you giving me a work as a messenger, or you are giving me a warning?
Sandy can be a question. Said you ask one said the man and Simbia. Because masa mimi mbungu nya kurasini pa.
Do you see me as gentle as I speak?
Na say wonya gentle am so menya gentle. Never say engineer so I want to mention money.
Whatever that you can do, I can do 1,000 times of it.
Are you sure?
That's what I want you to get it clear, man.
Really?
Sure.
So to krokesi mu kita say tuwo hu. Me tro say nti akurasi kita dan. Long distance when one patwe ho. Ya ma yiwani nyina gu.
Sentiments wo ho go betwem.
You know okay.
Me know okay.
You know normal.
Mugu krokesi ni nkwase asem nko ani modi. Aboa wo ma kwanta rechene ne so ne ba no wanya.
Dabi.
Me nua ba ni ntia futuo.
Me nim no kura ni de rechene nya ne so ne ba no kura.
Be ka kire say oba ho a ne me ma agya ne kwana ma na kwa koduru fie. Nti ni say na wo so la wo nko fie no ho na okọ. Say ya kọ ne.
Se me di wachi wo na aka se me.
Wo di mi machi.
Yeah.
Yes, we chiri ma adwene ya wadwene.
There be wadwene de wo. Obi aye krasi ni de wadwene de nyam adwene ya.
Yeah, say nka ye kọ no nto no na sana say yes we say yes.
Kope go be why?
Ma me nko studio nko ye ndom.
Hey, wo de wonu yin.
Me see ye nko studio me ko ye taper ye nko.
Wo ko ye dey?
Taper.
Mo he.
Sito was it? Pressure, Miss. No baby, Yajuma. No baby, Yajuma. See, Papa share my crown, so cry, honey, Yajuma, see, and 2 dear. Mammy, we are Mefro and Mary to Cocoa. I am pressure and I'm free from baby, some Mefro. Mat. Someone's window, wounds and window, and okay, bet me the baby. Hey, man, to the Mr. Wadi over to me. You, moment. Mamma, Mr. Yes, to mammy pressure. Yes, and an ass a meter more than an ass a baby, sir. Impatuma, Matty.
That's some known to make a sound.
Just a mammy pressure. Just one them in a mark about penny, be near near frame me near me see some.
Or more for us, I think. Braffy and I saw here, baby.
Brefi can home now him for no question, a sicasem. She said, Sicasem crying idea at Timacum.
Sicasem.
Sicasem.
Oh, yes, you can now country. My country say, would the building here be a country me? Because me to me no want to have bright fearful, yes, can I make a show? No, Omo here saying.
A bassanas, my baby.
Stop it. How much?
500 cedis.
500 cedis. And it's now which now your corner say, would you Johnny John order to 500 cedis?
Baby,
why are you like this?
No, Nancy, my human shed than ye in Tiron say, and you be a bribia with Bibia to a Nemusa. Now, said me bed.
I'm not complaining. My country said, Bisana beside my dinner, have me another day. 500 cedis. And until now, our baby Janasa or your car or here's cow of you, 500 cedis into common then another day. Baby, yes, I be. It's too small, so the young Conaman confess. 500 cedis, there's 69 now, bed, and now I call 500 cedis. Oh, mobile is 500 cedis, cram and idea here. Let's go. Stop it.
It is a weird sound.
Good morning. Sorry, my son. That's why I want that pepper.
You're ready.
What?
This year,
When you breakfast, about by 11 o'clock about 12. I saw one time one baby also. Just. What's up? I'm 19 apples and maybe some of the same piece out because I signed.
Oh, 90 day be good.
Okay. I hope so, but now I say no baby, are you cool?
Oh, everything is cool.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Okay. Now, person me knew we didn't come up be about a Juma. What's the last time I catch you say penkra? No,
yeah.
So, after that, no. Person pay one cast away Juma obey because barbering shop people say, "Oh, boyfriend here Juma be say or your baba."
Oh, the beauty. I won't say. Baba no, you want different types. Maybe honey, any barbering shop, ordinary barbering shop. But see, hopa.
Babe, and you see one American. I just don't like it. Say my boyfriend here, Baba. Until the men cast close, you know. Man, crying working mom. Now we am finding some nice baby. Get better fit my boyfriend. But because our boyfriend here, my meeting me, I can say my boyfriend here, and Papa, dear child, I don't like it. So think about it. Anyway, you may be out, PBR. Tell me. I'll give you money, then you do it.
Sandra. And no crane, me bow and chanya. I said, and you may be or harm me, you know, one minute. I say, Abribia, open my braboom canco, my braboom so. Sandra, one casawi in the pape.
Do you know something? When person last time I say you call out, na me tia bibia, and when person be say. At times, ube to me, uye jumana sa jumana yes, eso, as is kafimba, you can pay. Bit maka kosa also new parents net so bit me am nice place on stay nice ejuma momo. What I say, I mean say everything from me you don't like it that way. I understand. It's better me man be a bed be stable then you do it. Not a sponsor or family. I think that's how now will be cool.
Inti emati someone. What you do say?
Stop it. Think about it. Tell me, be a person you be tell me. I'll give you money. But sure, barbering shop was then I don't go there anymore. Man, crying need you, mama. Only you, mama. You can grab it me or no cry, mama. So we age money we are on physical. Because at times if you're better now into me, I'm beginning to be serious. Now how I could jiska.
Sandra.
Now I be here.
They will hear cry Jimensim. But that was it. So what's my dream? See. I mean, sure.
But I want to marry na be cheese.
Hey.
See, remember, a man yet in same way.
So, Yamia, you said, Chireni, Yankupon, I yen within 3 days. Without you know how many tears here.
And then I'm
Some by whom is I'm a console now, so to say, because I won't female.
be so far, who pay no crammy. The family baby or coin made them or I brought all kinds.
Nina say, on some car says, see, 3 years in Quaint to me for mobile. If you say me, Uncle some per se, Baba, your one day. And see, I would dear you, Mono, as a page maybe bit my fetch Miss Camo. And I'm a cuckoo whom I may or was a fee. I'm not in mine. And then Yamia Domon, Juma Waka family. And me cocoa do while I was rich into who pay Juma that I won't kind and a statia Juma. Or could we tin tardia, my dear Juma in our quan, a company in tardia, intimacy row. And yes, be a me jow horna, said the Missy Dawn, and yet the me jow or clump within Bessie in Henson.
And you say, Juma, oh, yeah, Juma, a good, but untimin P and Kona won't frame and say, be say. Oh.
Na me kwaya krompo na me ka kra no busa me say na wife ho na me say an no say ene jiska we say na wo kwaya de wudi bia ma no de papa na ye kra na within 3 days was say adwuma me ma ba be ye no te say aso na ni abro so
Ska we nyina na ode ma me
hwe dan de wodum de ay bosom we wetu ya me sa no ntem ada na me do call asafo no hu wo se ma anwale wa ma me mfo ba bia ma chia
ene wa ya de o
papa ndo ni papa
you know one
ni papa
who's can be say achi
enye hwe afi na akese beba
wow
wo di say adwuma no kura no se metime yire me ho no wo yayi a wodin be branch manager
sir and I just saw them call them coordinate because
asidan de me ankasa medical da na sidada
oh but say SMS me call them go show appreciation
okay odi and e da adwuma mu ye free no say me no ko so no nse dante fa ko
sir me mate or the next time upi ya frame nya sa unse me no neti se BBC kra me den unse BBC
Kwesi. Sister fee hono na. Masa ko hopi. Na misa ko hono no. Outside the hono no. Did na na ekoso na me pebo amane last time. The same thing happen ho. Did sa na ekoso. Ya wo me tin masompa koso na me se we de me frosoro me wrem. Na ma hye de mani kwasua hunu de ekoso. Me ron so a ma hwehwe baabia ko nem baabia wo fi obia. Obia so ni fio.
Nanti bia nso ntwemu.
Bia ni ho. Medwene ho amenti ase. Amete se medine ho nya na me hu de me nya me ho. Ehu kura asa abo me kura ho no manto ase.
Nso nkwa na akọ.
Eso me kwa na me kọ ho. Eti kwa siri ma antwentwa so kwa me ye me phone na me free sister. Me free sister no. Nsem o ka hye me na die. Wo ya akola.
Ada o ka.
Ntimi mie so nka bibia nyina nkyere wo sap. Na emu oduye. Waka wase so gumi pa. Na dwene ho na menti ase. To no kwa ka chem se sa de ya. Manti. Ende ya nanim ni. Obeba. Ni oba ye nyina. Ye be ko ne ko so am do be ka ho. Ame nyina ko. Na so ko hu ni so ade bi. Na me nkwa me kwa na matise me kwa na matise no. E bro me so age me nsem.
Ma de nya kasa bia so akase obeba de ya ni yenhwe man nyame adum mu bedura na ese. Ye nyina ya ko ha kwa cheke ntiwe ko akọ ato ye o meba no nko ade ye.
Ya ni si wo me ni kodi why? Wo sore na wo ye complaints na wo ko wo mo me no mu ye adwuma ho wo nu aketo ba na wo kase na wo kase eno emfa so be no bitimi ni abre ye.
Nti wo de wo ye na ye. Na we kra na mambo me mama na sem papa amane na me ko bo me nua are onya me family member na nkofo na me ka che omo so omo your friends
Debi we oba na wo yesa aware ni munyam na wo ton e ba sa me na wo ase wo di manimu twitwifo because wo nua wo ye small boy Atadwe nye ni tipen me wo sole a wo kan wo gina ho bia na se do besi ate no wa nkoka ne sa e kina bi afi obehu no na odwene nsem bebre wo ne trim enye fine
so ye de ye anka mintimi ngo fra obi na me bo so why ya che
kiss me
why ya che ba se na me say de wo ye na abro me so na ze me se me complain at you so what is the problem
company a wo company ntimi solve problem the bit me solve problem ni nyina ne say hun say I'm a man of vision Sabi onye be ma bia na edwene chena mintimi nka se ene kiss me dome wateme nchen etimi nya bibia na mentra ne nchen yedidi na yada na ye sere echena bi na fi ye ho kire eno na obe
are me te hono me bi so ske bia na uni bi no na ye ntena abako sesi antisika na ba na be separate ye sa na ope ana
esika eba sesi ye ya separation bi ama
Sabe no what no uniska but I'm okay. I'm very much okay because I'm very comfortable with that. Let's say who pie and ejuma and then na sa no na say like mama ninja.
Mesro ti me mase mame. Forget about wo me wonche. Ti me mase mame. Abrabo na me ne wo bo no. Obi me bobi maye. Asika fo do say e na omoyire jawo. Aje se hiafo. Sabi o mama di eto wo kase ne wo beye mamedi akiri nka se ne esimeni so ampesem ye ndaache no enka
se kaskan ko an se wo oni wo ba ye ne sana me wo nkofo no mo ho ampese mo ware me no mo niska se no mo wo ska chen ba odo na me odo nti na me no betina ye no se nyo odo anka me unim se nyo oso ba akra na me se wonim ana wonim
kiss me asem we this is not the first time I waka enya me so ba no so be ma ene bonya ewiase no nyankopon ahyehye ayi bia ne mfem pade enti ka hu se nyesikani na wo ba wa akwan mo no adenti na kwanta se me na watemase be de me ka chwo de se e ma ye ntem asem enkwa bontin bi me ba cho ene die mu menim se me do enti yesa me ye de be ma wani beje
de fata o ye de fata de be so me nyere me nkwa bontin koka
Mati